call it dolce far niente. It means the sweetness of doing nothing.
Today is the 8th of March, so happy International Women's Day to all of you amazing women, especially you, my subscribers. So today is the day after I got back. I got back from the anniversary vacation yesterday, and I have just been in bed all day. I haven't been able to do anything. I've just been resting because I was really stressed, and I got back really late. I got back around few minutes past 9, so I just really wanted to rest. Yeah, so that's it. So my house is a mess because you know how it is with the whole harmattan. I don't know what happened. It just felt like there was harmattan in February. I couldn't really explain it, and it kind of extended down to I think 1st or 2nd of March. So yeah, my house was a little bit dusty before I left. So right now I'm just trying to drag myself up to keep my house in order, because I'm just someone that I cannot stay in a scattered house. I don't know, no matter how much I try, I don't know how to put off arranging a house that is scattered. So let me just do it and get done with it and figure out what the day is gonna bring. So my plan, I'm still editing the anniversary video. If the video is up before this video, then I'm sure you guys enjoyed the vlog. So this is like a follow-up vlog to just show you guys how the remaining part of my week looks like. Nothing serious at all. So making beans since I started this video until now. The beans is not ready. I'm out of space. So everything I said, I can't even remember, but I'm glad that the video stopped at a very good spot, right? So yeah. Hi loves, good morning. So I haven't vlogged in a while since I got back, but today I decided I was going to talk to you guys because yesterday was a very happy day for me. Like, I was so excited and I knew that I needed to vlog. I was at work the whole of yesterday, so I didn't really have time to vlog. I'm also going to work today, but later in the day, maybe like around 11. This is like past 9 already, so I should be getting ready in like an hour. So yesterday we clocked 500 subscribers. Oh my god, I felt really excited when I saw it. Like, I just randomly checked. I was in the office yesterday and I'm like, let me even check my channel and see what's going on. And then I opened, I'm like 500 subscribers. Like, oh my god. I was literally just smiling all through. Like after I checked it, I was just smiling all through in the office. I'm not sure a whole lot of people really knew what was going on because I was smiling unnecessarily. But I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you subscribed to my channel right now. It feels really amazing, and I know that 1,000 subscribers is going to be very easy. So all I want to do is to plead with you guys. Share my channel. If you love me, if you love what I do, take one day and just share my channel with your friends on WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere. Just copy my link and post it on your story and tell people to subscribe. I think I would really, really, really appreciate that. So thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you so much. The next celebration we're going to be doing is 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so today is a rainy day. I'm so excited. Like finally it's raining. Still have to get to the office regardless because I have lots of content stuff to do today. I don't think I'll be taking you guys to the office today. I'm going to be very busy, so it might just be a lot. Okay, so let's go make breakfast, guys. I already brushed my teeth, so all I need to do is to eat and get ready for work. I'm trying to change my affirmation calendar, so I'm going to be reading my affirmation today with you guys. This is it, guys. Oh, it's upside down. So let me just read it. So today's affirmation, March 15th, says, I am beautifully, majestically made, and I am so thankful to God for making me a woman. This affirmation calendar is seriously, I can't stop talking about it. I'm so sorry. Like in January, I told myself I was going to make conscious effort to wake up early. Now, not just waking up early, wake up early and then also like go for appointments on time. If I have to go to work, I'll go on time. If someone is waiting for me, I have to go on time. And so far, I think I'm making huge progress. And I'm just excited that it's really the little things. I mean, you know, when people want to work on some sort of attitude change and everything, people don't really pay attention to little things like this. I don't know, I can't be so sure, but I'm just speaking from my experience. So yeah, this is the first time I'm consciously deciding that I'm going to work on this part of my life, and I like it, I'm enjoying it. So voila. Today is a very casual day, so I'm wearing this tank top and you guys can't see my pants. I'm wearing like a joggers. I hope this hair works. I don't even have a mirror yet, so I don't know what I look like right now. So after this video, I'm just going to watch it and see what I look like, but I'm hoping that this works. Okay, so it's time to go, guys. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Hi loves, good morning. So today is Thursday and this young woman has to go to work again. So I'm all ready. I'm just waiting for my colleague to pick me up. So I think I want to end this vlog here because I want this vlog to go up tomorrow. So yeah, so Saturday is our governorship election and I hope that you guys are going to vote again. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you all in my next vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.